Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Brenda. Sugarfreemom.com is my website. And today I am going to show you how to make my keto pasta or egg crepes, basically. I wanted to share my recipe. It's been on my website since 2012 and I wanted to spotlight it because the egg white wraps are super popular that you can purchase at the store. Not everyone can find them in their markets. Super easy to make at home and just a few ingredients. So let me show you how to make them.
Start by cracking 6 eggs to a measuring cup. You want it to be 1 cup and 1/4. You can also do this with egg whites. Add it to your blender, along with chicken bone broth, beef broth, or even heavy cream. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you definitely must use xanthan gum. Blend this up until completely combined. And then you're going to heat a 6-inch skillet, nonstick, or this crepe machine as I have. You want 6 inches. So you're going to measure 1/4 cup of batter for 1 egg crepe, right in the center, until it's nicely set all around and just slightly wet in the center. That's when you can gently flip it over and just cook it for another 30 seconds or so. And continue with the remaining batter to make 6 total egg crepes. They're very pliable and bendable, so you can make these into roll-ups or enchiladas or even lasagna. Perfect for a 0-carb meal. I like to cut these up with the pizza cutter. 2 crepes are your serving, and enjoy with a little bit of olive oil and cheese and fresh oregano or Parmesan and marinara for a 0-carb, delicious keto pasta.
I hope you enjoy these egg noodles or keto pasta, if you will. You can certainly make them without the yolks if you prefer, just using the egg whites and the remaining ingredients. Super simple to whip up in your blender and then in a 6-inch frying pan or with the crepe machine that I showed you today. I hope you enjoy and check out all of my recipes on sugarfreemom.com and give a follow on Facebook and Instagram, and please subscribe on YouTube. Have a great day.